I'm done with him because I see the boy have me and the girl be with the same rag.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl be with the same red rag?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
This is the girl with the next side of story about the red rag.
What on it?
Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Ragashanti live. Check. Take it down low. Balance it thing. Good afternoon, people. Good afternoon. Like, seriously, Raga? Good afternoon. I don't know afternoon, no. I don't think so. All right, good evening, people. Good night, people. Good night. Good night, Jamaica, and good night to all the people all over the world who are either listening or watching right now on the Bridge 99 FM website or through other means, or you're listening right now on the radio in Jamaica on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica with a 99.1, 99.3, 99.5, 0.7, 0.9, you know, wherever you are. Big up on yourself, you know, what day, you know. Want to say happy birthday to Richie Spice, Professor Nuts, and E.D., and everybody else celebrating a birthday today. Professor Nuts, see what you say? It's a September man yourself too. Virgo Nation pan the whole of them. You understand? The best month in the year. And we not entertain no debate this so. No debate will be entertained. September the best month in the year. Argument done. And before we go to the phone lines and take any mix-up on have or continue the phone mix-up thing where we did dip on what here. Real quickly. People, some of the time, I did hear woman say some version of the following. That they are, you know, that they will always be disrespectful and nasty and rude to man. Because men like that. Right? Again, on several occasions I've heard women say something along the lines like, they might always treat man shabby because man like that. And I've always thought that it was the stupidest, dumbest thing, one of the stupidest, dumbest thing I ever heard, you know? Right? Me, I come from my orientation, right? Because me not like stress. I ain't no man come with just one bag of stress or be disrespectful or whatever. Me not cuss them, you know? Like me tell you all the while, people hear me on radio back in the day when me used to give it to people and get the thing twisted. Me no cuss, you know? No woman when me there with the guy never tell us that me and them cuss. Me no join that something there. It's either we're going to sit down and reason out whatever the issue is or whatever the drama is or whatever. And like two intelligent, grown people are, you alone can't cuss. Because me not cuss with you. Me no join that something there. So me no like woman who too stressful. Me no like that something there either. So when the time me hear woman talk like that, me always say them, fool. Until one time, one of my brethren, who happened to be in his 50s at the time, me and him a reason, and he was with somebody, he had somebody who him did there with, and him did involve with somebody else. And one time I look, another reason something come up about, like if him have to go choose. And him ask me. So I tell him, say, boy, I'm going to tell people what to do, but me know the two women, But I say, I can't tell you when me would have more drawn to. So I say, yo, you're a woman, I love that simplicity there still, I love that quiet there and that simplicity there. And, she does cool and she not have no need for run up up front this and that. And she not, she not nicey and all them look weird and she not flashy and thing and whatever. So, me I tell him something like that, So them things them kind of like, To which point he might refer to the other woman now. And him say some things they were, he make me pre the thing and at the time I say, what really I go on here, so? But two things out of what him say is as follows. One, him say the reason why him like, him drawn to who was the woman on the side at the time. Him say, boy, I'm like she, man, because when she dress and them go out and she dress, everybody see her. Once she do it, she always hot and she dress hot. Once she walk in and says, because the person I'm referring to, by the way, is a well-known person in entertainment. Well-known person with, commanding a lot of resources in entertainment in Jamaica. Very, very popular. I don't know how, but of course, no names will be mentioned right here. So he's in that field, in that area there. And not surprisingly, he have some sort of priorities, consistent with being in that area. And one of those was he likes to be seen when him like when him going somewhere, him want him woman for hot them way the way immediate attention and all eyes drop on her. Him say them something that make him feel good. But the woman who him there with she not that's something there. She dressing up, put herself together and clean and thing, but she not in that flash there. She not dressing her way where she walking and dance. Everybody look on her like boom, bad, whatever. She not in them hype there, So him say him prefer that with a side woman, the bona woman. Then the next thing him say, rock me, Cause then after that now him say, and then the other thing too, she no cuss. She not give me nothing for cuss about. She not come miserable upon me for nothing at all and whatever. And thing, She just easy going and simple. So she not miserable and she not come cuss me about nothing and she not argue with me about nothing and cuss me about. And me there listening and me I say, well, him is an example of what the woman them a talk about. When them a say, man stay so, right? One time after that, now, I reason with her next sister about it, and she said she agree. And the way she explained it, she said, no, man, some man love that something there because it's a challenge to them. If the woman stubborn and a cuss them and whatever, it's like a challenge to them to get at the woman them. And she said, you have some man who just lucky in that something there and thing and just can't let it go. Well, to each his own, because me couldn't manage that thing there. But, lately I observe some things and whatever and thing, and boy, it look like the woman them have a point with that something there, man. Like some man, you have some people, them love drama. They're not validated. Them not feel like, say, with them inner, if the relationship with them inner are just their own existence. If not drama, not did it, right? Them not feel like, say, the thing exists. Right? So for them, resolving an issue is not the objective. Having an issue is the objective. Right? Let me just make that clear. For them, resolving an issue is not a priority for them. But just being in an issue, some drama go down, that is the end. That is the objective. That there's an issue. Right? I have enough of them people about the place and whatever. Now, if you're not like that and you meet somebody like that, Worse if them have some other pluses where you value, if them good looking, if them have money, if them this, them that, and whatever, ray, come from good family, educated, or what. But they are like that, you know. Somehow you can't get caught up in other something there, you know. And believe, say, you have to deal with them things there and whatever. And somehow you wrongfully think, say, them people, them objective is to resolve issues. When really, that is not their priority. Them just love drama, them just love argue, them just love the race, something there. You understand? And I guess enough man really stays for true and the woman them kind of figure them out along them lines. Anyway, so we're going to open the phone line and we want to call in with any drama want to call in with. And do remember we're still up on the phone mix-up thing too. So anybody, we have some, we did a talk to the last caller Monday upon that. And Tina did have an issue with the woman who figure out how to forward our man all of the data from our man phone. We're coming, we're coming, calls, texts, and whatever. She figured out how to forward it to our phone. And Tina they call in and have a problem with that woman there. And we never did have enough time to understand where Tina come from in terms of why she have a problem with the woman. Why she did feel so strongly. In my opinion, Tina the kind of strong about the thing. And I say, yo, I wish she deal with that. I wish she gone in her man phone. And my thing was, but why bother you so much? She and the man there. She and the man at dugu. She and the man at do the something with them. She and the man there. Why bother you so much if she gone in her man phone? No, me not support it, you know, because I like them something there, you know. You want me draw from you. You go do that spy like you're going on my phone. Because me not do it to you, you don't have to do it to me. You understand? So me not whatever. But me I say, but she and fear man there. And she call in and I share a thing. Me don't know why Tina take it up so strong. Me don't know why I go on this. Me don't know why I burn Tina so. Why I burn Tina so. Me don't know. But again, we want to call in and tell about enough of the generalship them we are going with phone. The mix up them and the drama them we are going with phone. A whole heap of something that happen with phone. Right? So we tell her, said I call her the call in and she say she dey on Snap one. A TikTok or did Snap. I think a TikTok. And she figure out, she say somebody make a presentation on TikTok and she figure out how to go in her man iPhone and forward every damn thing out of the man phone to her phone. And then now, you know, realize that the man involved with one woman. And she know everything we're going on and make him no wise. And she said she easy, you know, because she still get what she forget. So she have a little link to link her to, one away. But she said a link they fee money not too proper. And my read with her is that I think the link, you know, the outer link where she have to, I think there's more there, but she not really go share it with me, you know. But I think she's telling the truth, with, you know, despite me thinks that she and him more involved deeper than she admitted. I think that she's still, I think that she's telling the truth too, where she has said, no, you know, it's a fee money not 200. The money not up on a level where she would have preferred, you know. So she has said, boy, she not got too lucky in this with him. But obviously him serves some purpose for her, you know. And some women clear upon that, you know. Some women are very good at when them talk to a man and say, this is his purpose. Right? I chat to a woman one time who said she have 3 men. And she said, 1 is for the money. And she said, 1 is for like the sex and the sato. And she said, one next one, she said, he's good with the kids. Right? And I just saw she govern fear thing. And fear thing balance them with it. And each man have a role for play. And she run fear thing. She know that go. You understand? So women can be very clear about that. And if a man try to exceed the role that she has designated to him, a woman will drop them man there, you know. Yes, a man all him start out to turn up certain way. And a woman value him for that and whatever. But she will have a next man who was sending on some good money. Where the start out man now send on. The start out man now, me go get all bright now, go catch all feelings and all them something there. I want to lock her in some way. You have some woman to play with that, you know. They must say, no, well, you got to go, you know, because, you know, the money thing, your money thing not too, strong enough weight for that. And if you're going to go outside of your designated role, then you're going to get fired. But we're going to hold a quick break, and when we come back, we're going to go straight to the phone line, so we'll just call in, all right? Soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, phone mix-up or any other mix-up, phone mix-up or any other mix-up and thing, or any other, if you want to continue the discussion them from Monday on the phone mix-up thing, and any other mix-up on just give me the call right now, make we hear what go on. The number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. The WhatsApp number is 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. Good night. Hello.
Ragamuffin.
Greetings.
What? You know, say you mash up one life. Me have you up, you know.
You have me up. What me do?
Tambourine radio.
What me do?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if you're more sick, I know.
Eh?
Me have a woman sit down listen to you one evening. Me have a girl.
Yeah.
Sit down listen to you one evening, one girl calling on Tambourine radio, see?
Yeah.
And the girl call and saying, man, I'm going on phone.
Yeah.
And you say, my girl, but you don't know, if you give money, if you delete your number, delete the message and everything. You know, say, you give me wife, you give me woman an idea. From that, the woman phone up, come off a silent, King. And me can't see no message coming to her.
You serious?
Oh, you mean if me serious?
That a go on.
But,
so, well, on, you used to take a message them before?
Yeah, we used to check them when the message come my you for your thought that the day. The woman, none from them are coming me and I walk out watching the phone and by the time we catch her yard one lot and man pretend like she asleep all long. I'm not saying what we are.
No, but why?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, all right, go on, talk, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know. That mix up your way there, I give you a mix up. I send a mix up to you.
Yeah.
They say what you do in life, you know, can come back around to her auntie and a true, you know.
See?
Oh, remember one fireman, you know?
Yeah.
You used to go one fireman, yeah, you know, got trouble in wife, you know.
Oh, you used to go on fireman yard, go trouble him wife.
Mm-hmm.
And when you say trouble, you mean you used to, hold on, you say when you say trouble, you need to go there, go jump up in her belly and give it to her, no?
Yeah, man, kick down the front door.
Yeah, all right then, see? Yeah?
When we go in the biggest fish, the woman has to take out a pot and cook and steam. Give me. I say, no, that I feel, listen to me.
Yeah.
It's where the strong man are coming and send on. Where you send on a business board where we are going there. It's not good, so that I know your problem. Your problem is eat and I cook, baby. I may say, me look for that and I say.
So well on. So you did a regularly a jump up in her belly and all these things, and she'll steam some big fish for you. I feed you and I treat you good, and you say, boy, you know something I want to disrespect your man, and she say, here what me say, man, don't worry about that, man. Just heat up some big fish, and cause you are dealing with my matter properly and thing. Them real things there. Duh.
Yeah. Yeah, and they come back around, go hard, my man.
What you mean, hard?
You want me get this like 70? Then I come back around, man, the same game now, come play back for me, man. Me can't know, my woman gone, and he will say, man, do this and that, and when me check up here one time, me call her and say, him say, man, go work. And me realize, I'm not working, man, go, man.
You talk about your woman, you know, when you say work, him. You talk about your woman, him, right? When you say him, you say.
Yeah, she. Yeah.
Okay, she. So, so she move certain way right, you know, where you strongly suspect she give her the thing out there, don't
But I get too much and listen to your show, man. I tell you, say a different kicker of fish.
No, but hold on. No, it sounds like you say a retribution a reach, you know, because you used to sort out man, woman out there now. Yes, boy, your next man a sort out my woman now. That you happy?
Yeah, I tell you what goes around.
No, but let me ask you something now.
Yeah.
All right, now. Here's the thing now. Given what you think about your woman right now, ideally, what would you want right now? First, I want to hear what you want. What you want right now?
Oh, me leave that, man. Me and I break up.
You not broke up?
Mm-hmm.
Well, on, so you not broke up because of that?
I not really because of that. A lot of issues. And let's tell you, man. You see, woman don't understand when man reach in a certain age. They just want peace and happiness in them life. Right. If you used to run road and you finish with running a run and say you choose a woman and say you want that lady to be your wife.
Yeah.
You know, want come home in the nagging. And you know, want come home and hear this and hear that, and everybody I say, what people I say, we're gone from ages, I dig up at them something I come. Me don't want that.
Yeah.
I want to live my life easy, I want to live past those things. And if I talk to you about it, every time I talk to you about it, still I bring it back up, go about your business. I don't want me to old fear of prison. Me should have come from prison, not going in my age.
No, I totally agree with you.
Go about your business.
I totally agree with you right there. So you have to just
when you reach in a certain life, man, if you're not doing it, any man can testify for that. When you run the road and you decide, right, enough is enough, and you go take up a woman and you want it. You want to come home. You don't want to come home to no nagging woman. You don't want to come home a woman at the first thing that you call and say, babes, how was your work?
See it there. And just in your ear. But well, I do. Sometimes women do that to you when them want you feel left them doing it. But I don't know if it did that deep. But well, I the woman where you talk about, she did have one nickname. She didn't name Pretty Punchy.
Right, go to hell. A countryman, this road.
No, I just ask it because I know somebody still, so. So she named Pretty Punchy, she named Munchie. She named Munchie.
No.
Okay, me just ask. All right, but it sound like a balance.
This man with them bus it. Them bus your show with the skid mark. The man of it take off them clothes, break their underclothes and put in a bin for woman wash. With the skid mark in it.
With the skid mark.
If you wash when they have beard.
Junior Levy. Tell it again. No man. Somebody named Junior Levy need to hear that. So say it again. What man not for do? Say it again. Tell him again.
When man have beard, if you beard, you have to take off your underclothes and wash it.
Yeah.
You know, if you give your man to wash with no skid mark in it, that's not appropriate.
All right. Every woman Junior Levy there with that them complain about and things. See it there? And a virgin I know, yeah, tell him what him not for do. Thank you, yourself. Big up yourself, you know, all right?
Big up, Raga. Welcome back, man. Welcome back. You say you have mash up the evening, run and mash up the morning.
All right, man. Respect and blessings. Here's a mad thing, okay?
Mad. Go on, I'm going to listen back to you, though.
All right, Papa. Safety. All right, give me a next caller. Senan, hello.
Yes, Raga. I'll go on the big boss.
You know some man there will have proper strength and I give thanks to the fullest, no?
Yeah, man. I run my raise and I check in, man.
Yeah, run my raise the way you say, Papa.
Why the woman that want to flap one night, the woman that call after and I say I'm boring in a Raga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because to me, I say, boy, I want to get me one multiple color. You see me? So she I say I'm boring.
Okay, yeah.
I'm boring that Raga, man.
Oh.
Because Tommy want one coat.
If Tommy want one coat of painting and things, I'm not bored because, you know, some women don't want multiple coat of painting. Some women just want one good coat of painting, you know? One solid coat of painting.
Raga, me I give a drama. You know, some used to burn out the cream thing the one time, Raga.
You used to burn out the what?
The cream thing the one time, man.
Oh, you used to burn out ice cream eating, no?
Yeah, I want to say, is a man, I eat out my ice cream in a Raga.
Oh, so is the next man come eat where your ice cream from you, though?
Yeah, I mean, I said, boy, you hear me, trust me, Raga. Me not gonna make that happen to me again in a Raga.
No, hold on. So what me I hear is, you had a woman, right? Right?
Yeah.
And, and she was your ice cream. So what you da call the woman where you did have no? What you da call her? What you da call her? Rum and raise a grape nut or pistachio. What you da call she? Peaches and cream. Give her a flavor.
Eh? Grape nut.
So you did have a grape nut, woman, right? And you say, a man come and eat while you have your grape nut ice cream, don't
you? Yeah,
hold on, do. I'm glad you use code. That means you know the levels when the show are run. How you know say eat the man eat where your ice cream from you? How you know that? How you know say it's that? Suppose that's something else.
No, because she beg me to eat the cream and I never want to eat it.
Oh, should I beg you to eat some ice cream for a long time and you never want to eat her ice cream, don't?
I never want to eat her ice cream. I want to say, Chuck man, they call one night to give a drama. I said, boy, the girl kick off the back door there.
Yeah.
And the same thing reached me the first time I eat cream. The girl kick off everything off of me just a Raga. I mean, I say weird.
No, hold on, man. I'm not quite sure what you just said to me,
You're not quite sure what I said to you?
No, I'm not quite sure because you said, Raga, remember when the man called and talk about kick down the woman back door, I think. And you say, the same thing happened to me. But then you say, she lick off everything off of my dresser, so I don't know what that mean. But she did kick down your back door? Man. She did kick down your back door?
No, she never kicked down my back door.
Oh, she never kicked that me just never sure. Because the code where I use, where I say, yo, she did turn you around.
Man.
She did turn you around. That's the new code that Raga use right there, though. You didn't get turned around. Dixie turn you around. So yeah, so she never turn you around. No. No, you frightened me a while ago because I say, you remember what day when the man called when I talk about, man, kick down the woman back door. The same thing happened to me, but they say she kick off everything off of your dresser.
Off her dresser, she never kick down the back door.
What you mean she kick off everything off her dresser? What you mean? She good like that, like skill like that with the dash out?
No, when I start use the scoop now, I take up the cream now, Raga.
Oh, but
the scoop, I take up the cream now.
Hold on, now, a different to man this now then. A different flavor this now.
Yeah, man, different flavor this, man.
Oh, okay, so you just, so what on then now? So what, even though you never did eat your woman ice cream, she never did eat your ice cream either?
No.
Oh, so you just never did eating an ice cream at all?
To me that burn a fire. You that burn
a fire upon it and thing and whatever. So I could have take this step by step now. So she did always ask you to eat the ice cream and thing and try to get you to eat some ice cream and thing and whatever. And you say, no, you're not going to so. About how long that did go on for?
About 4 months.
Oh, about 4 months you had to keep on and say, yo, take a look at troops, man. Lick the ice cream, man. And you said, no.
I said, no. Until, a man come take her from me.
But oh, you find out now, say, a man take her from me. Oh, you find out. What did go down make you find out? I'm going to end up a left on them, so.
Well, she tell me, say that's the problem in a Raga. Straight,
big and serious. So she just tell you that straight and say, yeah,
no.
Yeah. No. This is important, because sometimes I say some things and some people don't even do a pre, because years ago, this is a long time ago when I did a study up here, and say years ago in Jamaica, them things that did look, like equally bad, like, some things when man are born out certain things, that did up there, like at the worst. And then, years after one day, I walk in an arcade downtown, I hear a woman bash. I don't know what she talk, but she talk to somebody, but loud. She say, she don't know which man. She can't come say them one day with her and now do that, Eat her ice cream. And thing. But she say loud, and she use the straight up language when I can't use for radio, all right?
Yeah.
And it was just shocking to me at that time. Not only for hear somebody openly say it, but for hear a woman openly say it in some place like downtown in an arcade. And what was even more shocking is that when she say it, nobody don't even look upon her. And it's an arcade always full of people. And it was like nothing. So as some figure say, yo, the game change out there. And where we are here now, you know,
change,
you
man.
know, and you hear me talk about what they may say, yo, the woman them change the game. The woman them change the game. So what is
the game change, man.
What is significant about what you are saying, you know? Is a new state where the woman them in and where them not take no check, you know. Them know what them want, you know. And if you're not doing it, you got to go.
Yeah, man, all the done there, all the done at Jamaica do it right now.
All the done them
right now.
What you just say?
What you just
say? All the done them I eat the woman them ice cream,
man. All the done them I do it, man. They think they're popular right now, man.
Well, lad, you never hear the milk mix up on my show.
No, man, never. Probably you miss out.
Well, man, you need to hear that one, yeah, man. Top shot, you know, man. All road youth, you know, man. And sitting and thing, and one of them, you know, a woman, you know, she there with him and thing, and one of them night that she go neatly kind of suggest to him, say, you know, think you could have take a look, you know, take a look liquor for the ice cream. And the dog get bringly, man. And back him go to make sure, hey, girl, you ever said that again, I'll be a shot to you. And the man deal with that wicked, so she said she don't bring it up again. None at all, because she knows how dead she go dead. You know, say one night, she and the boss at work. And she said she just see the boss draw her at the bed edge. And she thinks, say, you know, I want style she get, because you know you can't catch all the woman at the bed edge and send her and you are stand up and she there at the bed edge and her words, right? So she thinks, I want them style she go get, you know. And when she look, she said she see the boss just jump on him knee, you know.
Yeah.
And the boss just take out his machine, you know. And put the machine right beside her. Remember, she there at the bed edge, you know. With her foot off, you know, but her back, so you can imagine her back laid on the bed and her foot off of the bed, and him upon him knee at the bed, you know, in front of her. And the boss take out the machine, firearm, and put it beside her. And she said, I can't go into too much details, but basically the boss position her away, all right? You can follow me, right? And she said she just when the boss dip him under the bed, you know, and she wonder, what? Because remember, I say machine don't dip on the bed, you know. She said when she look, you know, the boss come up with a tin of milk, you know, man. We open already, you know. That time the man don't set up him thing, you know, man. Yeah. And she said the man just raise the tin of milk. This a top shot of gunman at Jamaica, you know. And she said the boss just tip like a milk in the something.
Like a milk treat. Everybody one time biscuit.
Well, man. She said the boss just tip like that. I must say this like basic condensed milk in that something. Kind of look like the boss must say, you know, so I do this, but me ear say it kind of too touch with the salty thing, you know. So me need for kind of like balance out that look holy salt. Too much sodium, you know. I think so. It look like the boss plan him thing, and the boss just tip like a condensed milk like him a sweeten him tea, you know, man. And the tip look a condensed milk, and she said just before the boss work, you know, the boss just look on the machine and say, you see if you ever tell anybody. And she said, no, me not tell nobody, me not tell nobody. And then the boss just get to work and him say ice cream. Up in that, you understand? Man. So your woman left you because you not do that something that she tell you.
Yeah, man, from that can't reach me again, man. Teacher, man.
What you mean? What you mean? No, explain that. What you mean from that? What you mean by that?
Listen, that can't reach me again. Me not turn a top painter, you know, Raga.
What you say? Yes, I use the ice cream now, no? What you say?
Yes, man.
For you there with that woman and ice cream, I forget eat, no?
Yes, man, I want to tell you to Raga. Well, I tell you even know, boy, I get to love the cream thing, because I tell you, trust me, sometimes, boy, the way I see them go on, Raga.
Well, so you get to love that. You get to love eat the ice cream now. You love it now, dog.
Yes, man, more than anything else, man, Raga, man. Trust me, man.
Well, what you mean more than anything else? You don't mean that. You don't mean that when you say that. What you mean? What you mean?
I mean that I'm saying that, man. Love my ice cream more than anything else right now.
Hold on. I'm gonna ask you again. You really mean that? Are you saying that when you do them something, when you engage in an intimacy, that are the best part of the thing for you to eat the ice cream?
Man.
And
yes,
when the man say that, hey, what you say?
Yeah, man.
You
put
actually
the phone on the case one side and put it down, man.
What you say? What?
Put the phone on the case one side and put it down, Raga.
You put your phone. People are coding my use, you know, sound enough. I love how they code them. So you say you just put your phone in your phone case and make that rest one side.
Yeah, man, I read that dress one side, man.
And just focus
And
on
just use the
eating ice
paintbrush,
cream.
man. Yeah,
and
man.
use your paintbrush, don't it?
Yes, man.
So what you say, you
Yes, man,
enjoy it.
Raga.
You enjoy it. And
Yes,
you say,
man,
and you say,
mother.
and you love to see what you do to the woman them when you do it. No?
Yes. I say, Raga, yo, I say sometimes they talk some type of language there, say, man.
And that's sweet, you know, that you can give them pleasure they don't when you eat them ice cream,
Yeah.
no?
So actually, Tommy Graham and no Shamis, man.
Gee, Tommy no know shot. What you say? What you say, Tommy Graham no know Shamis because anyhow you catch Tommy right, you know, man. So if you're ice cream in that trouble, no?
I tell you, man.
All right, well on. If you were to give Tommy a flavor for your ice cream, what flavor you'd give her, you know?
Cookie and cream in a Raga.
Cookies and cream. Well on. Yo, why you say cookies and cream now? Hey,
make President about their laugh of a
President dead over the Toronto. Well, I know. You see, the next time I see Tommy Graham, her name is no longer Tommy Graham. Yo, TamFam, Prezi, show me the wallet. Show me the wallet. Richard Smith, everybody I did. Robert Blackwood, everybody I did. Hey, Karen, you like?
I want to on YouTube tomorrow.
No, man, I want to on YouTube tomorrow. Bobby Sule, Tina too cute. The whole of it. Anytime we see Tommy, a new name for Tommy, cookies and cream. Yo, new name for Tommy, cookies and cream. Tommy.
Raga.
Yo, yo, not say a word, man.
Yo, Raga, watch out, more big up Karen Wild, man, you know, one of your number one listeners at Jamaica, in Raga.
Yeah,
Karen Wild, man, you know.
She still listen me? I don't know if she still listen me.
You say Karen Wild, man. Yeah, man. Raga, me we talk, but.
All right, Roman Reason. I say a word, man. Big up yourself, fierce.
All right, my boy. Cool.
People, I want you to hear me clearly right now. You said this Saturday, we are kick off a brand new something online. Right? This Saturday, 8 o'clock, New York time, 7 o'clock, Jamaica time. Free up with me, Ragashanti. Right? Right over Ragashanti world. We'll be taking calls and I run the thing like how we know to do it. And thing. And while we not go do, we can't go all out like a out harder. We not do them something there. We have more latitude than we have on the radio like over there, right? You know, like all the conversation, you know, with Roman Reis, you know, right? We can't talk about more something, right? I don't know, say Raga run it's our vibes, we say, right? And we're going to talk up with something with them. So I want everybody log in. This Saturday, 8 o'clock, New York, US East Coast time, Toronto time, 7 o'clock, Jamaica time. Everybody, lock in. Over YouTube and Ragashanti World. At this, the brand new show where we are going to kick off. Free up. Mad something. Right? This Saturday, 8 o'clock. So make sure someone go over there from now and subscribe to the channel. Go over there right now, subscribe to the channel. Get your friend them to subscribe to the channel. Because we're going to turn it back a thing like old school days and whatever. We're going to talk up something and thing and go on with a bag of things over there. Free up. Free up this Saturday, 8 o'clock. Ragashanti World. That's the channel. Ragashanti World. That's the name of my channel on YouTube. And this Saturday, 8 o'clock. Free up. Make sure someone come in and come and join yourself. Awards. Next call. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings. Hello. Yeah.
Good night. I swear to God, creamy box out my thought out of me.
No, man, no, remember, a creamy, you're going to call him creamy, you're going to call him Roman Reis. Which one you going to call him? A Roman Reis, him call himself. You know?
I'm full of flavor, though.
Yeah, I can't call him creamy.
Body, everything.
Yeah, no, you know, so me more call him creamy than Roman Reis. Me more. Yo, but I notice that Tammy Graham not up on the wall tonight. She not up on the wall tonight. I walk one.
So me thought out of my head, I swear, they are dead.
Cookies and cream are the new name for Tammy Graham, and that's what we're going to call her. We're going to say, yo, TG, your name change, you know. You're a bad girl. You're a TG bad girl again. Cookies and cream. Yeah.
Oh, Sam, I don't know how you follow that now. No, I say, oh, it might kill me.
Yo. Worries, man. Creamy. Take it to them.
I say, no, so I call him, I said to you, say, you know, somebody once said to me, his name is Raga.
Yeah.
A man named Raga told me that, you see, life is living in the gray areas. It's not black and white.
Right.
Not always black or white. It's in the gray area.
Gray area. Right.
I mean, I tell you, say, there with me thoughts so nice and solid. I mean, I tell you, cookies and cream make me legs lock up.
Yo. Well, I mean, like, him never eat, you know. Yo, him never eat, you know. Him never like I wonder which flavor or whatever. He general just said it in cookies and cream, Tommy Graham.
No, man, but when you ask him, say, you sure, say, you love eat ice cream where the man solid, the man not eat.
The man not eat because, yes. Because I'm going to say, yo, are the best thing. No. You know, say, somebody link me since night and say, boom, you know, say, you joke out this thing, I'm going to send a money gear, you go buy the tambourine. No, because serious, you know. A woman, a long time TamFam, she said, nah, man, you play, man, because I listen every night, I'm going to hear the tambourine, so boom, I'm going to make you get a tambourine. No, for real. No, because that was definitely a time. Hey, the man eat you, because when the man say, yo, are the best thing out there, I say, no, you just said that for like emphasis. The man said, listen to me, I best thing me like right now, right? You know, the man use code and say,
the milk you talk.
The man say, when him at work, him put him phone in a case and put that one side. And you know what that mean, though? And you know what that mean, though? Yeah, make that have a way. Yeah, me love him code them. Him know if you talk about them, sure, yeah. You know? Hey, man, say, me put my phone one side, man. I just ice cream me and eat right, you know. Me nah did, you know.
I'm not talk about the phone thing, but trust me.
Talk to me, man.
That back it up.
Talk to me, man. Why I go down with the phone thing? Yeah.
Brother, when me say, boy, life really, you know, we not try to say everybody is good and everybody is not bad.
Yeah.
And life, of course, I just say live in a gray area.
Yeah.
But what I was saying on Monday, and I can defend my talk today, Wednesday.
Yeah.
What me I say is,
if
we always a search, I go find something, right? Number one. Me not say me perfect.
I agree.
Fine.
If you search for something, you're going to find it. If you search for something,
exactly.
All when I know eat, you go see. I eat, you go see. Mm-hmm. All right. Mm-hmm.
People are going to search phone. Fine.
Yeah.
What my problem is, especially with the caller we call, when you search and you find and you have the information and now do not know with it, you just say, oh, me not bother because, oh, me have somebody. It's like, what is the purpose? What is the sense? I'm trying to get, you know, that's what I was trying to get.
No, but you see, I am surprised you.
I was trying to understand that.
Hold on. I'm surprised that confused you because me understand it right away. I'm going to tell you, you're going to understand it. I bet you.
Explain.
All right. Women, more than men, save their punchline or them weapons to use it when the time comes for use it. Women more than men.
Good.
We find out things and keep them and save them up and plan. And that's save that if the man ever one day now come draw a card pan her or whatever, she have that in her arsenal right there now for whap it back pan him with it. You know?
Good. That's what I'm looking for.
No, but Mr. Right away, I understand that. Why you wouldn't understand? Because in a fear mind,
I understand that part, but why? Let me tell you why I'm confused. You went a further step because that's the line that I am thinking of enough to say, yes, hold it for your card with a play on the time. But you went ahead and tried to get that out of her, and she said to you, no, I'm not going to make it bother me, because I'm not going to let him for them look at ticket girl, and because I don't have somebody who will text me to if anything. I mean, I said, that is not really maybe another punchline maybe I expect. Maybe I expect to say, no, man, I say, any day I ever sleep, I have that card, I have to rally back on him with it. Maybe I that.
No, all right, well on. So I identified that one, but there is another card there too, right? All right. Say somebody, all right, me feel say, because sometimes I roll with a car line, I may push with certain things, I may leg with certain things, all right? Me feel say, I think deeper with the brother who she say call her or who she say like her, right? Me feel say there's more going on there, right? Okay, all right, good.
Okay.
But me, it's one of those situations where him really like, because him bring out that excitement and him know if put it on for me. Ray. But, bossy over here, so, if you notice, right you when she attack, she keep it real, And she said, no, the money is important.
Yes.
She said the money is important. And she said, bossy treat her good with the money.
Yes.
Right? And she even very clear and said, basically, no, that money I like me. That's how she put it. Him like me, him really, really like me. But when she identify him money not strong, over this, right?
All right.
Just the very fact that she mentioned that is a clear indication that that is important. All right? Okay. When me I say now, say she have this money and take care of her now and I spend money upon her. But she there behind the scene now and she a dogo with Mr. Amanda on the side, right? You see, when she find out say him over there do film thing and whatever, must mean say ammunition alone, The other card is, oh good, me feel better now. Me no feel too bad say him into me and him a mind me and a treat me good and me there sleep with somebody else and me involved with somebody else and me there on phone with. Cause him there do film thing too, so me feel good now. So as long as him keep on do film thing, that give me a justification for keep on do my thing. That's what woman think. So those are two reasons right there. So ammunition for use later, just in case. An erasing of any guilt that I may feel that may I do this to him, because him I do film thing too. That is another reason. You understand? And there's several other look at things, but but when you the roll out pan her, it come in like say you beat her.
You would do that. No, me not. That is what me I say. Me no want nobody think I'm not beating her. Me I say me would understand that.
Yeah.
But me gonna ask you this question now. Then.
Yeah.
If she, let's flip it. If she was the breadwinner and him, that kind of maybe be dependent on her, and she find that in her phone.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah.
You feel say. Should I still sit down for the information or should I attack him?
No, well, I don't know, but she probably would attack him, but people do that all the while.
Woman perspective.
No, woman and man do that. Them a give bun, and when them find out, say them partner bun them too, nothing no more self-righteous and mad and vexed than them, and them been a give bun. Man do that all the while. Men are guilty of that left, right, and center. Burn out them woman class. Yes. And as soon as I look a small bun reach them want to kill the woman.
She are the one we work and take care of him, and him still a do what him a do now with the phone thing, and she find out that. Me not think that she really keep so quiet now with it. I was just wondering.
No, but you see, you know, say we have had many discussions on this show here where that is even a complex matter, Because me can't tell you how many. Remember, me tell you say they used to confuse me. Or woman will say them know them man a give bun, but them not left him. But any day, them can prove to the man or the man admits that them a give bun, them a go left him.
Right.
You remember that matter that come a mess. But if you didn't know, say him a give bun long time. Why it matter if him a tell you? And then the woman will explain and I said no. Now him know say me know, and me can't act like say me no know. And them look weird. So you have some complex layers there, so and thing in terms of if she would have find out say him a give bun. Because she basically know say him a give bun, But she a work with it. Because him don't know say she know. And she comfortably in that zone there. But what if him come to her and say, maybe not give you a bun? Me don't know what should I do. Me don't know.
Right. Well, okay.
Yeah,
well,
me don't know.
Nakita Williams, you don't know when him beaten. That's not beat Carla. You don't understand. When Tina too cute a big girl, my big girl brawling. Watch your speech. That's not beat.
Yeah, take on Nakita Williams, Mr. Sharp.
Nakita, that's not beat. It's young and dumb too.
No, well that's true. When Tina the assassin beat people, no ambiguity no there.
I did the send for you.
All right.
When I wrong, and if I don't understand, I don't understand. And I ask for explanation. That's not how we beat people. I beat girl brawling and not take back chat.
Sure.
So don't pass the place.
And we are talking about radio beating people, no, but I believe of violence we are talking about. We are talking about radio beating. All right, me charge it. If one line full up here, I'm going to see what I go on here. Yeah?
Bless up yourself.
All right. Next call, because this show whopping in the night here. This show wassy. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah.
Good night. You know me? You know your voice?
If I know your voice?
Yeah.
No, I
Me
would
name Coombs, man. Me name Coombs. Me live at the Park Road. Me no pay for talk, right?
Your name Coombs, you live at Ugly Park Road. Where you say
Yeah,
Coombs?
87 to be back. Me no pay for talk. Me used to call when you punch the ass, you and Johnny, you remember Johnny?
Yeah, man, I don't know Johnny, I'm a brother, man. I'm a brother of that man. What you say, yeah?
Yeah, man, me used to call, but you ever know, listen to you. Me see you think you're clean enough, and let me start listening to you.
Oh, see there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
me see that clean enough, so me say me listen, but listen to you, me 84, me that Indian.
You're 84 and you're Indian. Yeah,
Yeah, listening to you.
yeah.
I would never call you coolie, but me a Indian, right?
Yeah, you're Indian, yeah.
Listening to you now and listen to the ice cream thing. God no most make brother.
God know what? Most what?
God no most make me people.
Vex with what? What God will vex for?
The ice cream, let them look at food from them in ice cream and thing there.
What you-
Them bastard ice cream.
What you said that the man them no fear eat the woman them ice cream?
No man, I fool God never make me that burger. But anyway.
What you
let
say?
me
Hold
be a
on,
part-
hold on. What you say? God never make them the ice cream for man to eat them ice cream and woman to eat
No
them?
burger, no man, let me give you one, you see?
Yeah,
About when Gilbert, yeah,
Yeah.
about a year after, one man took you wash for a flat bridge.
him do
You hear
what?
me?
Him do what?
A man choke.
Yeah.
You wash for a flat bridge. I'm a friend, so I'm a
Oh yeah, him truck wash for a flat bridge. Yeah,
Yeah, so we said you don't have dike road somewhere. So we got the man got to the bag walk police. So he said, well, you can't go on there so like that and walk the place. You have to report to the police at Bridgeport.
Right.
All right, but you can't go here with a man. So man, we can beat you until nothing back at it.
Yeah.
All right, we drive behind Bridgeport. Yeah, one of them there.
Yeah.
All right, so when we go, the man sit down and somebody was dealing with the police. One woman come in face, blood up and bleed up, you know. You can man and woman fight.
Yeah.
So the policeman cry officer, cry excuse for the person, woman tell me that.
Yeah.
He say, woman, what do you face?
Yeah.
He say, officer, the man, he told me ice cream, and because he intends to me, he told me ice cream, he boxed me up and told me up. Then the policeman, then he hit him.
Well on. She said, officer, the man eat out her ice cream.
The officer asked him, why do you make him blood so?
Yeah.
So he said, man, box him up and thump him and cut him up with knife. He said, what you do the man? Because me can say he told me ice cream, officer, man, this and that and that. So the police said, then you go down go eat ice cream for 2 years, officer. Then you the officer, then you know where to beat you up.
Then what then so the officer said right for beat you up.
Then you know where to beat you up. You shouldn't disgrace a man like that, and you go to ice cream.
Oh, okay. So the man did eat her ice cream and thing, but she and him a cuss now, and then she use it take it tell him say him eat out her ice cream, and then the man end up a beat her up. So the officer tell her say, well, the officer shouldn't really tell her that because I'm not a right to be violent against her. Them weird there. But basically the officer tell her say, then if the man eat out your ice cream quietly and thing, when you and him argue, you shouldn't have used that to throw it in his face so openly, publicly, and embarrass him. Yeah.
They ask me people, them here for Waterford, really, Waterford, yeah.
So you, well, Coombs, tell me I know. Tell me the God truth I know. Me want you tell me the, hold on, Coombs. All right, Coombs, a woman ever eat your ice cream yet?
No.
Well, a woman ever ask you to eat your ice cream yet?
I joke. One time when I do, yeah.
What?
Don't have in street. Don't have in street. One hotel. If you go no, where topside Captain Baker on the left hand there.
Topside Captain Baker on the left hand of the hotel where woman eat your ice cream. Don't it, Coombs?
Yeah, one
Don't
time
Hold on. So, Coombs, talk it God truth, you know. When she did eat your ice cream, Coombs, you never feel good. Talk it true.
Raga,
Eh?
let me tell you go. We don't know what we have to do, you see?
Yeah.
And me lay down with a cigarette. She smoke too. And me light one cigarette and lay down flat for me back. Naked as not give me ball.
Because you just don't work and thing and you lay down on your back and smoke a cigarette and thing. Yeah.
She hold me hand
Yeah.
and put the cigarette in my mouth about 2 times and puff it and let it go.
Yeah.
But me have no fear for me chest now. Me are Indian, right?
Yeah, you're in there. No fear for your chest, yeah?
And then my rub here and rub with my go down burger. When you go down now, when me go down again, it's so that you be say, me say, but no, did I and me push him off, you know.
Well, careful. So what you say you did, that's why I hold your hand and then what? Yeah, right. Nobody going into details, but what you say, she got on and then what happened?
When you go down and grab up the cone with the ice cream, eh?
Yeah.
Me have to put leg on the cigarette and dash away and push him off, everything gone on.
Hold on. So when she go down there, she goes so boom and take up a scoop of the ice cream and in her mouth and think.
Everything gone, the cone on everybody. Me say, when you go over here, what do you tell my wife, say? I'm not joking, no.
What are the Coombs? Coombs, what you say? What are the Coombs? Let me hear what you say. You say basically the way when she wallops on the one of the ice cream, you think all the cone did gone. You did afraid dog.
Cone gone. So what is it? What never go do?
What are the Coombs? You say basically when she go down there and just swallow up the whole of your ice cream, you think say all of the cone did gone. You wonder what you don't tell your wife when you go home and say, listen, I don't know why the whole of my ice cream and my cone gone.
But hold on, you gone. You don't have?
So hold on, so Coombs, the way she wallops on the ice cream, it's coming like she did a take with the whole of your ice cream, don't it?
Nothing not going to live, nothing not going to
Jesus have mercy, left you with nothing, don't it? And that she did want to do.
Not even the cone box.
Not even the cone she did.
So, I don't know, I'm to buy down Howard Street, there's a little bit of a corner.
Yeah.
Howard Street, half Howard Street down there.
Yeah.
They come against the market there, one the street there, they couldn't be walking on back and come one bar. You clean up Kingsley one day there, yes, so.
Yeah.
When I remember my day, they open Prince, went beside Prince Street.
Yeah.
So one bar did and go drink two juice there.
Yeah.
And she took her bus. Go up, she live at Jonestown or somewhere, in the area.
Yeah.
They said me live at Riverton City, so I go grab 91 at Finestone Road.
Yeah, if you go down to Riverton City, yeah.
So when we go down, no.
Yeah.
About 10:30.
Yeah.
So by the time I said me where I come from, you know. So she work for the bus.
Yeah.
So me take the bus come later, and the bus where you expect people come from, and that time I come from, and left me.
Okay. Okay.
Why in the night the men him just talk, so me have me tell him what going. He say what? He say Philip. Me name Philip. Me name Philip. Then Philip, so what remember he have if he choose to hold on that me say well.
Suppose she did eat off you well, but Coombs, me glad how you give me that reasoning here to me. I go want to bring in some other caller, but make sure you call me back one next time, here.
Yeah, man, they know, but you know, that nothing done, you know, but me not do it now, Raga.
You not do it?
Me not do it.
Coombs, you're 84-year-old, you know. You don't have nothing to lose, man. You can't take a look of chips off of the ice cream, man.
No.
Coombs, which ice cream flavor you like? What you like? Strawberry, what you like?
Me know, when me see cream, man, we say, me ask you what we have. When me see cream, man, pass and move over now, you see?
The only ice cream you eat are from the ice cream man with the ice cream man. I sell the ice cream, right? You know?
But you know?
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
In closing, doctor said me to keep up a dairy product. Doctor said me to keep up a dairy product. Box milk and things.
Yeah.
And dairy product. But no one then me drink 1 milk from my back stomach.
Yeah, no one then. So probably no one then you would just taste a little bit of
No, Raga.
You know do that. All right, Coombs, big up yourself here.
One over, me a long time I listen.
Cool, man. Blessings, man.
Where you doing? 5 minutes?
Yeah, man, me there in New York. My broadcast out of New York, but you don't hear me in Jamaica like me there. I saw the thing set here.
I saw me here, but me have to put it. Anyway, God bless and keep you, sir.
Yes, man, Coombs, man. I'm glad you're calling a nice up night. Yeah. Big up yourself here.
Thank you. Me your call over there, man.
All right, then. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. One love. Cool. Yeah, big up Coombs, you know. 84-year-old and full of vibes. You understand? You see it? And that's how they think then. No, sir. I'm making sure answer tonight. People do remember, you know, this Saturday, 8 o'clock New York time, 7 o'clock Jamaica time, and them vibes that we are kick off. Ragashanti World on YouTube, right? The thing named Free Up with me, Ragashanti. Make sure so to go over there right you know. Go to the channel right now and just subscribe and it's free. When you subscribe, it's free. When you subscribe over there, it's free. Or something free you don't have to pay for. You don't have to pay for. Right? It's free. All you do, you click the subscription button and you can go over there and subscribe right now. But you see them vibes, yeah? All them vibes, yeah, we are bringing on it this Saturday. 8 o'clock, New York time, 7 o'clock Jamaica time. Make sure sound of dead. We're going to deal with it billions. Next call. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Oh, go on, Raga.
You know, some day happy I do what me love. Yeah. Me there, me hockey. As we say in Jamaica, me hockey right, you know, that me I tell you.
Yeah, man, a preacher man, this man, with on the road, trucker's life.
Preacher man, yeah, man, big up yourself.
100 mile in a night.
Sin. Now, which state you in, you know, preacher man?
Yeah, man.
Which state you in, you know?
Oh, yeah, Indiana, me there, man.
Indiana.
Yeah, Indiana.
Yeah, all right.
They drive go out Florida.
See, you have a good look around left there. You have a good look around left there.
Yes, man.
See.
Yeah.
But big up.
Why? So me a call in with some mix-up tonight, boy, but them the man they have me a laugh.
No, man, I see Coombs talk up with something them.
Roman Reyes, no.
Yeah.
I listened to Roman Reyes for a few nights ago.
Yeah.
When he called in and he talked about he asked him about the policeman and he said, no, a grape not that Roman Reyes didn't deal with.
Yeah.
He's so serious about it.
Yeah, man, real serious and thing. So we want to keep up the energy and the vibes there and sitting in the night. You see me, all right?
Yeah, man. So, my mix-up now, Raga.
Yeah,
so,
send on.
You know, I bridge, you know, him have a little shop.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So man goes to Bam and he get a visa and come America.
Yeah.
And in turn the little grocery shop now where him add a restaurant to it, a little cook shop.
Yeah.
You know? And it grew and grew till the man have a nice restaurant and a nice supermarket.
Man.
You know?
Yeah.
So all that time, every time the man go to Jamaica, you know, look for go home and have a woman down there. You know? 3 times straight, like every year, every other year pretty much.
Yeah.
Because Obama, when he left Jamaica, a woman pregnant. You know?
Yeah.
So the man say, okay, time now for him bring up in youth, them, you know, man.
Yeah.
And he go and file the paperwork and do everything. And you know, them have to take the
DNA test, right?
Now.
Yeah.
So the man go and get the result, brethren.
What?
No, youth, them are no female.
How many?
3 youth, man.
The 3 youth, them.
Not even the last one.
Not, that him said not even the last one, dog.
Not even the last one. Yeah.
A regular thing that a Jamaica, you know.
When the man get heart attack and dead, brethren.
What that? What you say?
The man get heart attack and dead, man.
When him here said
the man get heart attack and dead.
The following day?
Yeah.
Bomba.
Yeah, man.
Because him believes that theme 3 youth them the from, you know?
So,
from the gate.
All of the theme, and especially the last one.
The last one.
Yeah.
So when him here said none of them are a theme on that of that flare time, you mean not even the last one of my youth? Heart attack reach him the next day. 3 jacket on him structure. A regular thing that a Jamaica, man. Enough jacket again. Because I tell people, say, woman could have given more than man at Jamaica. Yeah, them always say man give on more than woman. Woman could have given more than man, right? You know, it's just that woman hold down them thing more.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man. Yo, we give on, but you see, we give on and have fun with it. But when the woman then give we born virgin.
No, what you just say? No, man, what you mean? Man give on and have fun with it, but when woman give on what? What you mean? What you think?
No, man, when we give on, you know, we take it as joke, you know, yes. You know, yeah, we are jealous, you know, and things are going.
Yeah.
The woman turn around and give your bun.
Yeah.
Yo.
Well, yeah, that is generally understood, you know. So, woman bun hotter than man bun, you know. That's why them as a man, you know, be careful when I pick up because when woman put on bun pound per man, I know, not normal. Anyway, preacher man, big up yourself, you know, here, sir. All right, big up yourself here, preacher man.
Guidance.
Yeah, man, protection. Yeah, man. All right. Next call, the president. I work with a boss. I look for the number them. Hello. Next call, president. Hello. On ear, may I look on it? It's a on ear. Caller, hello. All right, next one, president. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Hello?
Yes, man. Greetings.
Man,
Yeah.
a carelessness, man.
Yeah, where you say carelessness?
Big up yourself, man. A carelessness.
All right.
There, man. Preacher, man. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah.
And big up my brethren. It were up on the road with you, is it?
Seen.
Yeah, man. Me not on the phone mix up today, no. But me call for big up Roma Razor. I'm a general.
Okay.
As yeah, man. Me I eat ice cream from a disgrace in a delicacy. Big up yourself, man.
Carelessness, what you say?
Raga.
You are eat ice cream from it was a from it was disgrace to do so, and now it's a delicacy. A good food now, down.
Delicacy, me boy. I say, you know, you're a Romarians and say, I best thing.
Yo.
My
carelessness.
God. Hey, Raga.
I want to bust you upon, you know, you talk about Karen Wildman. I want to bust you upon Karen Wildman, you know, because I feel say fear ice cream good, you know, so you need to make that link there, you know, Karen Wildman, because me say fear ice cream, a proper ice cream she have, you know. If I were to guess the flavor.
A rainbow? A rainbow?
No, I see she have something like a mixture between, like, say, pistachio and some, you know, probably Karen Wildman, like, you know, is a no-nonsense woman, you know, so me see her have, no, me not go check out the ice cream flavor then, but you need to know Karen Wildman and get some of your ice cream because, you know.
Yeah. Yes, man.
Well, make a link here.
Now see, I heard my boss.
All right, carelessness.
Remember,
yeah.
Big up pretty teeth, you know, we in our street, is it?
All right, then. Big up your brethren.
Take our next call because my phone soon disconnect. Yeah, man.
All right, man. Big up yourself. Here, sir. All right, cool. People, here we go. This show acting at the night, yeah, you know. Make sure, say, on a Bridge 99 FM, we are broadcast on Jamaica. Make sure, say, you follow the Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms. Follow the Bridge. I'm putting the D. DHE Bridge 99 FM. Make sure you put in the D, right? That go with it. The Bridge 99 FM. Follow the Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms. And do remember, make your friend them know, you know, if them they abroad, that them can listen and watch on the website, thebridge99fm.com. Thebridge99fm.com, right? See it? That's how they think they right here now. And no worries. I don't know, it's a Ragashanti there on the Bridge 99 FM, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Monday nights, Wednesday nights, Friday nights. From 9 until 11 o'clock, Jamaica time. 10 until midnight, New York time. And I broadcast out of the IrieJam radio studios here in New York, which part I live, right? So every Monday night, every Wednesday night, every Friday night, I want to make sure Jamaica on a lock in from 9 p.m. until 11 o'clock. Spread the word. The Bridge 99 FM. And that's how the thing there. We're going to break. We're soon forward.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Back in at the thing. The WhatsApp number is 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. 876-551. Sorry. Now, but just remember when Coom say, yo, Coom say, the way when the woman goes to boom and take up the whole of the ice cream, say, I'm cool. Yo, Coom say all the corn gone. The man say my one that and when him go home and him not have hey, and the first Coombs get a run with us something there, you know. Say they say I want go on. He look like Miss Lady bad part of the thing, you know. Say, you know, like Coombs say like the whole of the thing just kinda disappear. Like Coombs just say I say well I do that's all I just no, not bad. Come say all the cone gone. And when I go tell my wife when I go home, I don't have my cone. I don't have no ice cream and no cone or nothing. Come say all the cone gone. Hello.
Blessings.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah. What going on? Yeah.
Boy, a beer thing I go down. Beer thing.
Yeah, what you say?
A murder. Right now, I know a man right now, you know, him fly enough for seeing baby, you know, right now. It's the next man having baby in my walk up and down in the street right now.
What you say, how that go? How that go?
A man fly down for seeing baby, you know, and right now I'm in the street right now, I walk up and down seeing baby, it's the next man lock down seeing baby.
When you say baby, you mean real baby, or you talk him lady?
Him woman.
Him woman, okay, so...
Yeah, him haunted.
So him fly down now if you go lock him when you want, but does the next man have our opinion lock up with her?
Oh, God. These things.
Right now? Right now that I go on?
Right now. I'm sorry, I can't tell him a video call.
No, man, but here we go on you know. Which area you call from? Which area? Don't call no name enough. No, don't call him name. But which area you call from? Which area you call from?
Olympic Garden over there.
Olympic Garden. So a man fly down for see him woman right here now, and then when him reach and thing is the next man lock down with him woman and thing. And him a walk up and down on the road like him mad you know, don't?
Right now, him all ask people if him a beg a call. Him a beg people call.
Well on, him a beg why him not have why him have a local phone?
No, him have a local phone, but him have to use a different number to see if she can answer a different number.
Oh, no, so me just understand it fully because you give with the general picture, right? So you know when him fly down, Him fly down
last night, man. Him say him have surprise her.
Oh, him fly down last night.
Bring all ring for her and them things there.
Bring all ring for propose and all these things, don't?
Yeah.
So
but remember, you know, we know people business, but we can't make them know.
All right, then, see. So wait now. So what him do? Him roll up on a crib or what? Him roll up on what?
Yeah, him does. All right. Every man they on the ground and him a say, yo, what go on? Everything up and we say, yeah, man, what go on? Just touching. You have the vaccine. He must say, yeah, man, I do my vaccine, man.
Yeah.
Everything clean, man.
Yeah.
So me I say, yeah, what you know? What go on? Everybody still wear their mask, you know. Or you not have a year one. He must say, no, man, I'm fully vaccinated. He say, no, man, you have got COVID up, man.
Yeah.
Plastic up the something, man.
See it?
I must say, boy, baby, me I look right now, you know, me now plastic up, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, yeah, but you don't know what go on already.
Because I don't know, say, next man I shell it down long time when him not dead, don't.
What you mean?
Yeah.
So you want to do the same thing too?
If what?
If the girl man are there, you know, shell it too.
If the girl man, if our man not dead out and little in Kingston can go on and I get a run. No, in my days, me not lie. Yeah, I juggle them here, so I not going to play a hypocrite, but me not going to lie to me. He's one of them man who always have respect to the man, you know.
You're married?
Oh.
You?
No, I'm married now. Yeah, I'm married now. But me I say back in the day when me I do road and thing, rare, but me I say at the same time, even though me did I do that, me can't tell you how many times, you know, me and a man woman I do so and she me or whatever. Me will tell her, I say, B, don't do that, man. No, don't do that, man. You know, because the man, so, you know them look away there. Me are one of them, man. I mean, I make no apology for that. Me is one of them, man. They say, for me, I juggle with a man, woman, me I give a man the respect. You understand? I'm marking, you know. If him come to me and ask me if me and her do it, me I deny it right down to the ground because I protect her. But me say outside of that, you know, sometimes, you know, more time you juggle with a woman and she me and start catch all feelings and want rare. And you have to say, B, no, you can't deal with the man them way. After the man not going with you, no we and whatever. No, because me and you do so. Yeah.
But what you know, no? Yeah. But what you know, you're sorry for your next man or a man have a heart for you. But back to the story.
Yeah.
Yeah, what going on, you know?
Yeah.
The man I say, yo, that be a call, no? But remember me, don't know, say, yo, you know, she have to answer my call if she see my. I say, me not on a credit.
Oh, okay.
Me not set up my body and when nobody gone, nobody not chat to me, yeah, man?
No. What you say? You not gonna make him call her or whatever when him gone and she vex with you and have up you, no? And then we come here. And then, yeah.
So me no know already.
No, but you see what you do? Me that do the same thing too. You see, me no say she have to answer my phone. Me no want get involved in them thing. Me no want get involved in that. So you can't use my phone for a call and make she go answer my phone because you know say she know me and her cool like that. You go, no, my phone not work. Me no want get involved in that. You know. Me want to know the mix up, you know, but me no want in it. Me no want in it. Me want to play a role in it. It's not my business.
All right, then.
Yeah.
So, you know, the dog goes so boom and walk fast and say, yo, watch you know. I go around the road, go link on my dog. And I say, all right, then. Boom. I see the bee jump out and I say, yo, what go on? I say, my day, and mama. Such man, they on the ground, she say, a lie. I say, yeah, I'm married to you. Same time she tell one boy, so watch you know, yo, my dad, pack up.
Oh.
And cat there, move out down a town.
Hey, you're really out, you know. So right away when you tell her, say, yo, such man there, you know, boom, bam, bam, so she just turn around to the boss who did a jump up in her belly and say, yo, mad pack up, hand cat, down a town, leg of the ends, free up, right? The money train come in, and probably a real man who she really love like that car. That brother they could have just said that, you know, go and take care of the plumbing because you don't know if pipe no use it get rusty, you know. If pipe no use it get rusty, right? So water and liquid.
A modern time now, a plastic pipe people are use. People don't with iron pipe, so nothing are rusty around that so.
Well, you said nobody that use iron pipe or some PVC plastic pipe, so nothing are rusty around here, no.
Rusty dead already, rusty dead and Peter dead. So right now, everything gone.
Hey, you are mad, and you are the mad, you know. And you are the mad, and you are the mad. I bet you say you are the joker for your ends. I bet you say you are the lyrics man for your ends, no?
You know, what you know, no?
Yeah.
You know, say me and my dog them up on the ground and we are say, yo, watch your my dad.
Yeah.
Some man love mouth, man, and them can't take mouth into a dog.
Yeah.
So ease up some man, you know.
Yeah.
But me don't know what going on, but like my boy did have a relationship problem. And him they not deal with the man. I'm like, oh, yo, dog. You don't have no girl, right? So me I say, oh, I deal with my friend him say. So I go to him and say, my dad. Oh, yeah, move so dog.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck the man, you calm down, dog.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, the youth, and the woman I breed, you know, I said, dog, the youth where you take care of, I know you're one dog. It's a man at all, I'll be able mother, dog. Bumbo class.
Hey, no, you can't say that word. Remember, you're the on radio, man.
No, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
The man say, yo, what you say a while ago? No, man. Me I say, calm down.
No.
Just go and take care of the jacket. Just go and take care of the jacket.
But what you tell him that? What you gonna tell him that for?
So remember when you have more people, you know, people getting them feelings, so people talk anything.
Oh.
Remember we there on the ground, you know, we are all a vibe.
Yeah. Oh, so nothing no go so. No, I can't drop on him.
I draw a card on him, but he must say.
Yeah.
But you know, the boy go draw a card now and get joke and know so that not playing a card. But just go some my whole S speed and say, listen.
Yeah.
You see a man in just go down on the corner and peep and watch her. You see the boy come meet her.
Yeah.
General, the man say, hey girl, pack up your clothes and come out.
Yo, he might take it serious and believe you though, no?
What? Hear me? Oh, you say all you, boy? Avoid me. Pressure,
general, right? This at the pyramid and thing. Anyway, big up Olympic way, you know, because you don't know.
Enough love, man.
No, man, me used to live on the Olympic in our woman named Mother Yard, you know, that time I picked me. You're too young, you don't know about Mother Yard. That are up near to the school, in front of the school, pan Olympic there. And then, you don't know, man used to regular to pan grass quit Glade.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me. Me used to down there's a regular, you know. Yeah.
So wait there now. But me never hear say Raga there Jamaica from them time there. What going?
What you mean? What you mean? What?
I don't hear you say come to Jamaica. What going?
Nah, man. Nah, well, me no, you know the COVID and things, so me no dead for a minute, but nah, but you know more time you come in and thing, you can't have it too loud up, you sitting and thing, you just go, you know? And, you know, them look weird there, and whatever, but the IrieJam, the Bridge 99 for FM family, you know, them a plan for have one big something, you know, it should have gone already, you know, the COVID each off and things, so them have one big something down there, but them a say, Raga, you know, you know, we are take it to the street. No, them have a launch already, and our nice hotel up in a New Kingston, right? I don't know if you know about that. But them say them want one in the street. And them say, yo, Raga, you have to go headline that one. So I say, I'm ready, you know, but you don't know the COVID thing or whatever. So when that, just look out for that, man, because that I go on and you don't know, say, we say street for a long time. Don't you know you understand?
All right, which part you going to take it, Raga? Bottom Olympic or top Olympic? Which one of the Olympic you're afraid of?
I'm afraid of?
Yeah.
No, but here I know. You know, so you have to know where to move because even when grass quit graded, certainly look, you know, out of respect. Some people
no, well, true, me did hear about a little tie-up thing in a one time and a car trunk and them things.
Nah,
you know,
man, that did happen up at which part me I teach at the University of the West Indies, and that was some.
Okay.
And I
want to tell you know, like the sprinkle leader, you know.
No, you know, like you listen to my show, you know what I go on. You know the whole.
Oh, you mean Atronics? This year talk to where they ask me, say, hey, how you do? You live in a empty building, and I tell you, say, construction will run, boy.
All right, Tronics, pick up yourself, man. Pick up yourself. No, man, the whole Olympic for me. I remember some man used to live at White House, man used to live at Olympic, you know. Me used to live at Henderson Avenue. My mother didn't move, you know, but my mother never spent all 2 years one place, you know. The place where I lived the longest was Southside and Augustone. And I want to tell you, say, Augustone after my mother dropped out, but Southside, we all live at South, move out and go back at South because we love South. But, you know, Waterhouse and them places, be a farm road, you know, and Binge Road corner there, so right there, so come back on the Olympic. I remember some used to go Calabar all age too, you know, at a 3 mile, you know, Catburn Pen, you know, so the whole around down the summer place, man. The whole around down the summer place, man. Clean, back to and the whole works. Them for know. All right?
Yeah, man, my family, so just go and hold up the blessings and give thanks, you know?
Yo, and just make the whole world down there know, make the whole of Jamaica know, say, the Bridge 99 FM, I do it right here now, yeah? So the thing said. Yeah, all right, look there. Well, I remember some me coming right now, but who did I before me? Tony Rebel. Who did I before Tony Rebel? Kurt Riley. Who did I before Kurt Riley? Nicky say, hey, listen to me, man. The mad thing the Bridge I go on with right now. Mad, son.
Out and about, and I make a shot.
Them for know. All right, my gent. So weird, what kind of radio name? Because the people them say them want a radio name for you. Not. If I tell them Tronics, I that me for tell them.
No, man, I'm a father named Tronics.
Are your father named Tronics? So what if I tell him where your name now? What is your radio name?
Well, my radio name is Shady Brown, you know.
Shady Brown. Big up yourself, Shady Brown. Large up, all right?
Up top. No slow.
Mad thing. Boy, I like the energy with the show tonight, you know. I like the energy with the show tonight. Okay, the number is, again, people may make on know that this Saturday, when just come out, Ragashanti World, on YouTube. Ragashanti World, on YouTube. This Saturday, 8 o'clock, New York time, 7 o'clock, Jamaica time. Free up, the thing name, free up. And we will indeed be freeing up. I talk up with something with them. And a free thing. It's free. You just log in and we're going to take the call them same way. And just call in and talk up with things. In fact, Shady Brown, make sure say, Karen Eli, up at Canada, what a way you love have Shady Brown already. Karen Eli, up at Canada, what a way you love have Shady Brown already. Eh? You want to run one upon him down. And make him understand himself down. Give him the Canada something there down. And make him tie you out. Yeah. Yeah, man, so we are saying this Saturday, 8 o'clock, right? Free up with me, Ragashanti, right? And where? Ragashanti World, that's the channel name. So, you just go up on YouTube right and subscribe to the channel so you get all of the information when you don't forget it. Because I be things we're going to go on with over there. And do, what we put up today? We put up volume 2 of the Matey versus Wifey. Who get the better treatment? Mix up them. Volume 2, Matey versus Wifey. Who get the better treatment? That are some show from way back when, from 19 how long, right? So we put up volume 2 of that so you can go and listen to that and enjoy that. And you know a bag of other something over there too. We have volume 1 over there too. And all kind of other thing over there. So you just make sure say, you go to Ragashanti World channel on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel and listen and watch all of the something them over there. And you know say 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock this Saturday. A mad something. Free up with me, Ragashanti. Just roll in. All right, we'll break. We're soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Up in the juggling with the CM, we are juggled on. We have about 20 minutes to go and thing, you understand? And we are stamina daddy around here. Straight to the phone line, we go. Greetings, hello.
Yes, Ragashanti.
What?
Long time listener, first time caller. I have a little saga for you.
Send on.
All right, Raga. Speak up to the liologist security guard. Miramar, Miami. Let me get the history about him.
Yeah.
This man now is a family member. I'm there with one of my family member. He's there with them about 2-3 years.
Yeah.
Anyhow, I did suspect something fishy about him. I did get one dream one time, and the dream never sit right with me. But the Lord work in mysterious ways. Anyhow, a couple months after that, new phone come in. They change, the phone. Him I buy one new phone, new phone come in. Anyhow, him send the old phone come give me, and him have the new phone up there.
Well on. So him there with one of your relative and thing and whatever and so forth.
Yes,
right. And one time you get one dream about him and the dream about him never sit too well. But you make it juggle and thing. So him get him exchange him phone now and I get a brand new up the phone.
Rather, let me get straight up, Raga. My mother him be there.
Him be there with your mother? Oh,
yes,
okay.
Raga. Me have to get it straight.
No, then that. Raga, you talk to me straight, B. So him send the old phone. Him send the old phone come give and him have him new phone.
Send the old phone come give me, Raga.
Yeah.
The only thing we delete after the old phone was the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
All right. Facebook, Messenger, everything else. What I call it, Telegram, everything else step on it, Raga.
Box.
All right.
Yeah.
No. Yes, Raga. So, him send the phone come give me.
Yeah.
I get the phone from foreign. Me and my uncle girlfriend there.
Yeah.
So she watch me in the room. I said to her, look at her, I said to her, good girl, see me get the phone, and I go search the phone and tell her what I want. I'm going to let the caller from my mother know what I want. Because I know something I want, I just don't know what.
Yeah.
I know something I want, something right, fit right.
Yeah.
All right. Reggae, you know, so when I search the phone.
Well on. Let me sit down good, come in and want me. Hey, let me sit down good, yeah. Go on, talk.
All right, Reggae, when I search the phone.
Yeah.
Message. When we meet, when we come up from Jamaica, that's a photo, Photo. Video.
Picture and video.
Yes, man. Video. You see when Juice run in a video.
I'm glad you caught it up. But when you say video with one heap of juice run and all these things.
Man. Yes, me say. Good boy, you one good man. You know, it's a good girl call her mother now. I said, good day. Remember this room when me did tell about her in a plate of mine? What you know? Look on your WhatsApp. I'm not even going to tell you what I want. Look on your WhatsApp. See them there. Raga, when I send it, go gear. Why?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's the good Lord. Keep on.
Is the good Lord what?
It's the good Lord. Keep on going. When you see the message come on the video.
Hey, take her, your mother, just stress take her, dog.
Take her.
No, well on them. No, me want you, me keep it clean, cause you the so well on.
Yeah.
Him did I want to pass something in there, them I do the something of them.
No, them not do nothing. In there Miramar, In there Florida.
In there Florida, security guard at Miramar, yeah. So the other woman I said. Yeah.
No, the liologist.
Yeah.
You know, they have cardiologists to look after the heart.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a liologist.
So basically, it's a bag of other woman you're seeing there. Then I saw him in a
No, it's not a one other woman, Raga. One other woman. One other woman. The woman that Jamaica. The woman did she come up the summer, Raga.
Oh, so all what you see is from one woman?
Yes.
Okay. And she did for come up this summer?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, so she send all of the something them where you say she send them?
Yes.
Okay.
The message them. When him come in from work at evening time, because my mother used to All right. You know you have one man, you know where him work. So you know, so well, within 20 minutes after now, I'm supposed to reach home.
Yeah.
He used to reach home in regular time. Then all of a sudden, man, God bless them soul. Because when them do them thing, them don't know how to do them thing. Because my mother did that right thing to her, him don't have no clue.
Well, stop right there, sir. Stop right there. So all of this now where you both span him to your mother and thing, you are telling me, say, your mother did do a fear thing too?
Yeah, man.
Hold on, man. Let me ask you something, you know. Let me tell you God truth, you know. You know, say, you know, let me approach it from a different side. If you have a good man, well, you there with somebody who you consider a good man, and a man that treat you good, and at no point you ever said a man that disrespect you or deal with you or whatever, that man that provide for you, a man that give attention or whatever, you said that man is solid, right? And if that man did I go and look at something with somebody else and all them thing there and whatever, this and that, you'd have left him?
Why, Raga, it depends.
It depends. All right. No, we'll work with that. All right, then.
It depends.
All right, then. All right, then.
All right.
You don't want somebody come inform upon him and tell you if he might do something?
Raga, if I do, me want to know.
You want to know?
Yes.
So what you think about something?
If the man do,
hold on. If
me want to know.
If the man do?
Yes.
You want
to know.
All right. But what may I say? Some people are listening right now and I say, John, no, I know say your mother still, you know, but...
Look here, Raga, let me tell you something.
No, give me that you know say your mother did that do fear thing to and whatever.
Raga, me don't respond to what my mother do. I want place me loyalty lie. And is what? Blood.
All right.
Blood run through vein. And I guess it's a pipeline, period.
Okay then.
All right.
But all right,
so
but hold on, they in a feel so when your mother do fear thing, say if him call your mother and say, so why you did this so and so when she had the fear thing, you know, if he say your mother
look here,
hold on, but your mother did have to tell him some lie too, you know.
Look here, Raga, my mother did have to tell him some lie.
Yeah.
But the point is, me don't get kids, and if me don't get kids, me not do nothing.
All right, then me hear what you say. If you do something and you don't get kids, you're not doing that something. Right?
You're not doing anything at all.
So it's your responsibility to make sure so you don't get catch. Because
for you
get catch, you deserve beating. Now that you say, right?
Me innocent until proven guilty.
No,
and if you don't prove me guilty, that's it.
No, but you know the point to me I make from the week start, I don't know if you didn't listen to me Monday, because I say, men, the woman, them don't need for upgrade on the thing with the phone thing, because somehow on the door, I understand the level.
Right.
Because I idiot thing him do a send a old phone go give you and clean the phone before. A basic something that.
Raga, stop it now, Raga.
Yeah.
Wait no man.
Yeah.
You see how when him caller come in on Instagram when the woman a call him?
Yeah.
The phone when send come give me a ring too, you know. The phone when send come give me a ring on Instagram. The message then what she sent to him I get them and me I get them on Instagram.
Because him account still work upon you the phone when him give you?
Yes, Raga. Yes.
John, no.
So
him broke him on a foot this one.
Him broke him on a foot, Raga.
Yeah.
I never like him from man. Because mother, good girl. Pretty girl. Mother never deserve him. Ugly.
What you mean him ugly?
Him ugly.
No, but why? So why you say the ugly, so? Why you say the like, well on, film ugly and a regular ugly?
No, man.
No, because me hear you, because you go to your way, you don't say him ugly, no. You say him ugly. Him ugly.
I'm ugly. Maybe one cry. I'm ugly.
No, but still, your mother like him.
My mother like, and that's why I did not approve of him. But at the end of the day, people have free will and you have to allow them their free will to make their own choice and their own decision.
Indeed.
And whatever comes with it, comes with it.
Yeah.
All right. So, remember me saying used to come in, she used to time him. You live 20 minutes from home, half an hour you reach home.
Yeah.
start come home now. All 1 hour before him come home, him did there with him friend. Rather the biggest line tell her. Him tell her say him have one pitney and the pitney in a college a study for doctor. And my mother there with him and my mother say, but you see, woman, we must learn to mark red flag and don't ignore them. You have pitney and made it 2 to 3 years. I may never see that the pitney there. And what kind of liar that time I study to become so? And you can't even take one day break to come look for you. Learn to mark red flag. Don't eat them up.
So your mother never seen a picture of the pitney them or nothing?
Him show a picture, Raga. Him show a picture.
So we say nothing no go so?
Nothing no go so, Raga. The man never get a pin. Him about 40 and him never get a pin from him born.
Him how old him is?
Man get up. Him a 40 yard. Going down 50. Him a man get up.
Him a man get up.
Yes, the chalk need to take him up.
Nah.
The chalk, the clean up chalk.
Yeah.
Need to take him up and don't get a pin. Hello, Raga.
No, but hold on. If somebody not get no youth and thing, whatever, that is not something for condemn them and done them. Oh, yeah, make
no, me not condemn him, but me a done him.
Yeah, done
because I'm a mother and him shouldn't do her bad. So me a done him.
No,
Raga, don't even tell me say me unfair.
No, but
me don't want to hear that.
She never know. Are you gonna make she know? Are you?
All right, Raga, but me have to make she know. Anyhow, she realized that before the phone, she realized him start coming late. So when we get the phone now, you know what we used to do? Come, park outside of the apartment, one side of the apartment. And now, him call, when him go in, him call the girl, talk to the girl, say, oh, look. When me see that now, me call my mother when them call for messenger, and so me call her, me say, look here, where your man there? Him not in the house. Me say, watch her now, messenger, send and call her, make him answer the call and him depend the call. So as soon as she get to find out, say, him come home, park outside and talk to the girl. Anyhow, make a long story short, them be there, and my mother bust it pan him now, say, watch you know, I know where you're going with, but it's time for you move up here now. It's time for your goals.
Yeah.
Him start and say, boy, I'm sorry. And it's just, you know, man, when you find out, when you catch them, they tell you everything in the book. So I'm better know when him talk and him can't, and mother want him to shut up. So say, all right, me I give you the benefit of the doubt. You hear what the wicked man said to my mother? Me don't want you give me what? Me want you give me the benefit. Me don't want you give me the doubt. She must give him the benefit, less the doubt.
Oh.
Anyhow, my mother have what she have planned already.
Yeah.
Raga, couple months pass and him thinks that everything good and all right. Yeah, my mother left from Florida now, you know. Left from Miami. Come on New Jersey. And him thinks everything all right because she go up there and start work and then she go, you know, him go get for transfer over and them go continue life like normal.
Right,
because he never did that the way him do.
Right.
So she go continue life like normal.
Yeah.
All right? My mother have fair plan, I know what she do. My mother come, couple months, do what she do. You see when my mother fly back to Miami and go in at the house and empty out the house, Raga. Up to 5 minutes before him reach home. Him call her, honey, everything all right? You this, you that, you eating, yes, mother talk to you well nice. So when him come, I'm echoing hearing at the house.
Your mother empty the house? Empty? What you mean? Take out the whole life furniture and everything?
Everything. Empty the house. Because there's something them have to ship over come on New Jersey. Empty the house. Why not even a bed to sleep on? When you can't burn with woman less than your woman. Your woman supposed to, as a matter of fact, the woman not supposed to take care of herself. Supposed to work enough to take care of yourself. You're not supposed to sleep on a woman bed and about them. No, so.
But but who for furniture the things them was in a house in Miami, in Florida? Miramar.
No, it was my mother's stuff. But he had the benefit of them. Because if you're not even a bed to sleep on, my love.
But,
so when him come,
okay, me see what you say. So all of the things them are your mother things them, and him a bring in both woman pan your mother bed and all them something there, right?
No, him not bring in the woman pan the bed. The woman did to travel up, come to Miami, and then did a talk all serious. Then Raga, the world is so small. You don't know, say the same woman When him a there with when my mother tell her friend and mention the woman name. Is my mother friend is security guard at the same place where she work. And I saw my mother friend I tell her say, she not even did I get none because she walk up and down and look US people off to come up. The world is a small world in a raga.
Well on, so the woman,
world.
the same woman where him a link with and whatever now. What you say she
yes.
where she ends out, where she what? What kind of link she have with your mom?
All right, my mother friend, when my mother tell her friend, walk one.
Yeah.
And you know, woman talk and them say, for reference, the one Shelly, she said the girl named Shelly. So mother tell her, say like, mother would have say, the girl named Shelly, where her man are there with.
Yeah.
She said, Shelly, yeah. And my mother mention the name and tell her the full name, rather. You don't know, say, same place, my mother friend and the bonnet woman are work.
Your mother friend and the bonnet woman work at the same place. John.
Yes, very small world, and that's what my mother tell her.
All right, hold on. I have to go let go you know one thing because we have come down to you know, well, as you know, 11 o'clock at Jamaica, 12 o'clock up here and thing, and the show I got done and thing. But why, what are you involved in your mother's affair? You're very, very involved in your mother's affair.
Yeah, and I see where you're involved in mine.
And I see where she involved in your one. I see where your mother up in. But your mother live like two sisters, man, like two parents.
Me I tell you, everything we talk, we don't have no limit, no boundaries. Everything we talk.
Okay, I want to have each other back straight.
Straight.
Anything she find out about any man you talk to, she'll tell you. Anything you find out about any man she'll talk to, you will tell her.
Yes, that's how it go.
That's how it
I'm not care what the naysayers want to say.
All right, bless up yourself here.
All right, Raga, big up yourself.
Well, but where you call from right now, though? Where you call from right now?
But they are New Jersey.
New Jersey, all right, big up yourself, yes. Jersey link, all right.
I mean, this message and tell us that me can't get the show on the radio. But me download the app now and me have it on the app.
Mad.
And when Wednesday gone,
yeah.
Me did message upon when I did have the YouTube live.
Yeah.
And me message and tell us that me can't get it on the radio. Me get the app now.
See it there. Well, you don't know, it's Saturday, 8 o'clock, Ragashanti World over YouTube, and this right there, you know, all right? All right? Okay, Jersey Link. Why, she and her mother, you know, tight. She have her mother back. Me know it's enough for I listen to all the precky, I listen to Mixup, and probably when I have some reservations, or she post on the brother them way there and thing and whatever, but it's a, you know, like she says, it's a bond she have with her mother, and that's how for them things set down. All right? One of them things there. I saw the show run. Sometimes you agree with something. Sometimes you don't agree. Sometimes you agree with part. Sometimes you leg up part. People big up on themselves, you know. And again, you know, say Friday, I roll up back in the thing right here, so I'm sitting. I remember that on Fridays, the show is simulcast in terms of broadcast. So New York area, I go hear the show up on 93.5 on Fridays, just as Jamaica is hearing the show, right? And do remember, so this Saturday, right, 8 o'clock New York time, 7 o'clock Jamaica time, Ragashanti World over YouTube. That are my clearinghouse for everything, all our mix-up entertainment things. And we're going to have a thing named Free Up with me, Ragashanti. We used to free up on Tambourine Radio, so we are bringing it on the YouTube channel now. So this is the thing really gone global now. So spread the word and log in. I want to know, say, a free thing. It's just like when I listen to something free. All right, so now just come in. But just make sure so go over the channel and subscribe. Because I know one show we are going to have over there. I go over there all the while, and sometimes I go spontaneously do something over there and just log on. We have the convenience there. Right? So make sure so go to Ragashanti World on YouTube and subscribe. Subscribe, right? Me ask you for subscribe and thing. And make sure so lock in this Saturday. 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. New York time, 7 o'clock Jamaica time. Free Up with me, Ragashanti. And everybody in Jamaica to spread the word about the Bridge 99 FM, right? The Bridge 99 FM. Every time I have to show some people, I say, Raga, I couldn't find you, and this and that and whatever. And that is inexcusable. So I spread the word and make them know, say, Ragashanti upon the Bridge 99 FM. Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays from 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. Jamaica time, spread the word. And a woolly pop, top shatter program over here, Richie B over here, right? Kurt Riley over here, Tony Rebel over here, Nicky Z over here, Jack Scarpio, Joseland Link over here. Yeah, there. So, all right? So soon this Friday again, Ragashanti live, right, yes, sir. Bad. Lego, gone.